Hi everybody, welcome back to another CYT-Crypto episode. My name is Stephen Aitchison and today we're going to be looking at the chart for Ultra. This is a new one I've looked at, a new one I've got into over the last couple of weeks as well. Just been kind of dollar cost averaging on this one, and it's gone to a kind of high today. It did get up to $1.93, but in line with the markets it's come back down a wee bit, so it could come down a wee bit from here, but it's looking really bullish. I'm liking this project a lot. So what we're going to do, traffic light charts for Ultra. And again, it's just a red, amber, green light. So we'll put in strong support areas just now. And where we've got strong support, the main area here, this is on the daily, round about here. And we're going to say round about the dollar range. You can see that was previous resistance there. And we'll just look at the bigger picture. So it's been previous resistance, hit that a couple of times, came back down, then broke through that, kind of came back down to retest that area of resistance. Which has now become support. So we're going to say that's a strong support area just now. So we've got another support line here, and we'll put this another red line here, and we'll just make that red. So that's the next area of support, which is $1.37, and we're going to do a resistance area next, and probably round about here. If we look at the 4 hourly to do the resistance, that'll give us more information. And we've just actually broken through resistance area, so this is going to be a resistance area here, and it's coming back down to retest that. Just now, usually when you break through resistance, it actually comes back to retest it. So we could be at that moment just now for Ultra, and obviously we've got the green line here, which is the all-time high of $2.46. So it's looking good for Ultra just now. If we look at this on the 4 hourly, we'll just pull this down a wee bit as another area of support. So we'll say $1.34, and you can see you've got that W forming as well. But in line with the markets, this has come back down a wee bit, $1.78. Long term, I think we're extremely bullish for this long term. I think we've got $10 for this, at least $10. And kind of put a tweet out to say this, my targets for Ultra were $2.18, then $2.78, then round about $3, and then up to the $5 range. But I think longer term than that, we're looking at $10 for Ultra. And I'm extremely bullish on this. This is a gaming platform. It's not just reliant on one game. I'm in a lot of projects just now which is reliant on the game itself. But when you've got an ecosystem you're building just now like Ultra, which is a lot like kind of Vulcan Forged just now, I think when you've got a system like that, I think it's even more bullish. And it's relatively low cap. I say relatively because there's higher cap than some of the games out there. You can get into some of the games out there that are really kind of ultra low cap as well. But this is bigger, but rightly so as well. And I still think we're going to go much higher than here. So $1.78, we could come back down if the market falls, if Bitcoin falls to the $40,000 area. We could come back down to $1.34, and that would represent a brilliant buying opportunity for Ultra. But what I'd be doing here is dollar cost averaging in. Do your own research. I'm not a financial advisor as well. So just check that out. I think it could be a really good one. Where else away from here? We've got other structures going on here. We've got kind of support structure, support uptrend line here as well. Kind of look at this as well. We've got a couple of touch points there. So we're looking at, if it falls below $1.73, which is where it was yesterday even. So $1.73, if we fall below that, then we could be going down lower. Have we got any supports in between? Probably, yeah. It's weak supports of round about $1 kind of 60-ish. But that's kind of weak supports. So in line with markets, this could go down, but long term, brilliant buying opportunity. Really bullish on this long term as well. And it could be a good one. Okay, until next video. Namaste. Take care. Bye now.